Hi guys, welcome. My name is Shaquan at SLFX Trading, and in today's video we're going to be going over a few stock plays. So I'm going to piggyback off of a few plays that Sain has called, and in the name of Chris, what's up YouTube? So I love the way he says that. I think he's so cute. But I want to go over a few plays that he's looking into. So Chris more so calls out the trades for you guys through his YouTube page, and I like to go back and actually look at the price chart and do technical analysis to even see if this is something that I can personally get into, or maybe it's something that I should personally sit out on. Now I do have my own portfolio as well, so I have my own plays, but it's never hurts to go and look at what another professional is doing and see if you see it and see if you can make some money off of it as well. But what I want you guys to know is no matter what Chris says, no matter what he calls, no matter what anyone calls, it's always important that you go back and you do the research. And I love that he gives terminology in every video. He gives you guys lingo to go and follow as well. And I think that is very important as well too. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. One of his plays that he is calling recently is Boeing, ticker symbol B. I'm going to go ahead and break it down to you guys while he's seeing what he's seeing and saying what he's saying. So if you guys look here on my price chart, he's looking for Boeing to go down to 175. And I'm going to take you guys to the monthly time frame to show you guys why he's calling that play. Now, Boeing took a major hit when COVID happened, but as you guys can see, she's kind of been pushing up, retracing, right? And now the price has been fluctuating back up to the upside in this after this pullback stage. And so now, like, we're observing, okay, the highest price that it's got so far, and this was back in December, was 244. Now it's kind of like retracing down, right? So the question could be, well, where's the next area after price has retraced that it could go to potentially continue back up to get its value back? So this is where we're going to break down the information a lot more. So going down to the weekly time frame, here's the prices that you guys can be observing at these high peaks. 234. This is down here around 140s, and then back to that highest peak around 244s, 50 cents. So these are the highest peaks that I was talking about. So I was on a monthly time frame, dropping down to a weekly time frame to get a more scaled in perspective. And then when I drop down to the daily time frame, we're going to see more candles. See, as a technical analyst, the more we view these price charts, the more we see price on these lower time frames as we drop down. It gives us more information. And so now, back to where he's probably looking for prices to stay above 140s. But based on price action, we call it PA. Based on the price action, 175 does not seem too far off. I mean, where price is currently at the moment, is trading here around $193. Okay, cool. So it has, less than $20 to go. So looking at it on the daily time frame, as you guys can see, is fluctuating down. The price has been decreasing since December, and so if it keeps decreasing and if it can prove to stay above 175, this will be a really good play. So this is something that's setting up for the future. So he's saying, look, you guys, based on what price action is doing, while this retraces, making lower lows and lower highs, and we really want to make sure that we don't buy too soon just in case price continues to drop. He's looking for that bullish evidence, and bullish means to buy, right? Bullish means the buyers are coming back in the market. Right now, the sellers are in the market, and he's like, yo, let's just hold off on it for right now. So I'm liking what he's saying. I'm liking what I'm seeing for this as well. I was invested in Boeing. I sold off my shares, and now this could be something that I'm looking to get back into as well too. So with that being said, you guys, we're going to go to the next stock play. The next stock play that we're going to be looking at is going to be ticker symbol IDEX. Now, this is something that Chris has built his position out on already. I think he already has his 5,000 shares in this one. And so he's looking for a run up. And what Chris said in his video, since he already has his shares, whether it goes to $5, $6, $7, and so forth, his shares are pretty much already built out. Now, if you guys are not in this play at the moment, what you kind of want to see price do is technically right now, as you guys can see in these smaller valley points, she keeps creeping up, right? So she was trading above $3, and now she was just a few moments ago trading above $4, right? So right now, what you really want to see if she can stay above $3. And if you can get her between the $3 and the $4 price range, this can be a really good play as well. build up your position slowly but surely. He's looking at this as a long run play as well, or long-term play as well. And so, you know, just follow him on that, you guys. If you're going to decide to get invested, y'all don't have to invest in every single thing that he throws out. He's already shared that with you guys. He says pick the best ones that suits you, your portfolio, your needs, your what you can afford, you know, and start building your positions. Once again, you guys, as an investor, you don't want to be invested in every single thing. You really want to get those plays that you feel most comfortable and confident in. Okay, so but this is a good one here though. And then last but not least, another one that he is calling is ticker symbol NNDM, nano dimensions. Okay, now there's more that he's called as well. I'm just calling his most recent ones. Now for this one, this is not one that I'm going to invest in. I'm not saying that it's not going to go up, but it doesn't fit what I am personally looking for, and it doesn't fit my personal view of technical analysis. Only based on what the weekly time frame is doing. To me, I think it still has some more selling pressure. I could be wrong. Chris could be right? Doesn't matter. What matters is that he's seeing what he needs to see for him. I'm not seeing the play for me. So this is one that I will sit out on. And it's okay if two investors don't see the same thing, right? It's always based on your own portfolio, right? So this is something that, like I said, I am going to sit out on. And if I do see some bullish pressure, something that tells me, Shaquan, you may want to look to actually invest into it, I'll invest into it. It's cheap. It's at, you know, a price that I can afford to build out a few shares in. But for me right now, based on TA, it's something that I have to personally sit out on. But if this is something that you want to invest in and you want to follow Chris, by all means do so. Okay, so with that being said, you guys, these are the only few that I'm going to be speaking on. I just wanted to speak on how it looks when you actually hear someone speak about something, see what they've been in their positions in, but how it looks when you look at the actual price chart. Okay, and keep in mind, you guys, I am using TradingView. TradingView.com is a great platform where you can analyze almost any price chart. You can analyze these stocks, you can analyze crypto, you can analyze currencies, you can analyze ETFs, index funds, commodities, metals, and you can also place trades on here as well. You could do options, you could do futures, you could trade Forex. So it's a really great platform. And you can also practice putting in positions as well before you actually execute with your real money. And if that's something that you're looking into, you guys, make sure you click the link below to sign up for free. So with that being said, you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you do your own due diligence as I am showing you guys here as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys trade safely, invest safely, and be blessed.